interesting amongst the 66 learners the list that we were given. 20 are foreign nationals. That is the list from March and March. But to us, the source is not important. What is important is the child. That once you bring to our attention that this child does not have a school, we do whatever that we must do. Not that we can, but we must do to have that child admitted. And we have done that.
And today they are marching or they're demonstrating again. How concerned are you about the learning process being disrupted?
We are quite concerned the fact that it's happening at the school gate. But marching is a right of anyone. But as long as it does not disturb teaching and learning, more especially the psycho trauma that is doing to the young ones. We're speaking about 7 and below in terms of age, experiencing this traumatic experience. It's not nice, but we are very much hopeful that at the end of the day, the leaders of the movement, the leaders of all the organizations gathered here will at the end of the day see to it and have the interest of the learners at heart and prioritize that kind of an interest.
Okay, ngesizulu nje mayelana nokuphendula noma ukubheka isimo emva kokuthi kube nematch yokuqala khona la labo bekhala ngokuthi iy'ngane kunokukhetha ikakhulukazi kwenzelela ey'nganeni zabaqhamuka ngaphandle. Senomnyango senisibukile isikhalo nabuka isimo. Kukhona enikutholayo ukuthi kune-substance kule nto abayishoyo noma?
Akulona iqiniso ngoba kubantwana abevile ku-1,500 abangaphezu kwa-900 are South Africans learners. Then the rest are foreign nationals. Okwethu okubalekile ukuthi noma ngabe ubani oraisayo noma ngabe ubani oletha i-list kuthina, i-priority yethu ukuthi abantwana babe semaklasini bafunde, okuyinto esesiyenzile leyo. Abantwana bangenile la e-Edenton, abanye bangenile e-Clayton, e-Greyville, nakwezinye iy'kolo sibafakile bonke abantwana. Bekho abantwana abanganasikolo. Into ekhona manje, abantwana abanye abafuna utransfer from iy'kolo zabo abaqale ukuzi-attenda ngolesithathu abaney'kolo suka last year, abathi ngoba sekukhona lento sebefune i-opportunity abazali ukuthi beze la. Siyayibheka nalezo y'celo lezo ukuthi uma kukhona isikhala esivulekayo ngoba kukhona abazali asebethathe ama-transfers ey'ngane zabo from Edenton. So as and when sivuleka ispace siyamfaka abantwana, kodwa akekho umntwana onganasikhala. Even ne-list ya 66 learners esithole from March and March, kunabantwana abayi-20 kuleyo list leyo abama-foreign nationals from i-list yayo i-March and March. Kodwa kuthina it's irrespective ukuthi i-list ivela kubani nanokuthi labantwana bayini. Uma nje beyi-school going age senza sure ukuthi bayangena esikoleni.
Kambe ukukhathazeka kwenu kungakanani ngokuthi kuyaphazamiseka ukufunda kwey'ngane nesimo sazo iy'ngane njengoba kunokuqhubeka lama-protest la?
Kuyasikhathaza ukuphazamiseka njengoba kutwetshwa nasesangweni lesikole. Mawubheka masikhuluma nge-primary school sikhuluma ngabantwana abanabo 8, 7 years, 6, 4 aba-experience lento leyo yokuthi njengoba belapha emaklasini abasa-concentrate-anga manje sebanako ukuthi ntambama kazi umama uzokwazi ukungena ngilande noma ubaba uzokwazi angilande angizuduka yini ekhaya. So ukuhlukumezeka kwabo ngokwengqondo ikona okusikhathazayo, kodwa sinalo ithemba lokuthi ngoba ama-leaders lawa at the end of the day bohambe bayibone lento ukuthi noma ngabe kunama-issues kodwa umntwana omncane wesikolo kuyena sonke kuzofanele simprioritize.